This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant, Toddler, Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery. And we're going to show you how to install the Maxi Cosi Romi front facing with the lap and shoulder belt. Before you do your installation, always make sure to check your manual so you know exactly how your car seat operates. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the top tether. There is a strap directly behind the car seat, and it's got a hook. This is your tether connector. In my car, we're going to feed it under the headrest and into the trunk because that's where the tether is located. If you're not sure where the tether is in your car, check the manual of your vehicle and you'll know exactly where it is. So I'm going to throw my tether in the back and I'm going to attach it at the end. Next, I'm going to grab my seat belt. The seat belt is going to go through the front facing belt path. There are two gaps on this car seat, a blue section for rear facing, ignore that one, and a red section for front facing. That's where our seat belt's going to go through. So make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. Our seat belt is going to go through the front facing belt path. We're going to go through the back of the car seat. Make sure nothing is twisted or tangled. And then we buckle in. The way the Maxi Cosi locks in place is by switching your seat belt to locking mode. So make sure you grab your shoulder belt, pull it all the way out slowly. Don't just yank it. If you yank it, it's going to do a temporary lock and it's going to loosen up again. So make sure you're pulling it all the way out. And what you want to hear is a ratcheting sound as the seatbelt retracts. That sound is letting you know the seatbelt's in locking mode. Our next step is to tighten the seatbelt. The best way to tighten this car seat is from inside the car seat. So you want to come over to the buckle side and move the fabric out of the way. Once the fabric is out of the way, you can grab the shoulder belt from the inside of the car seat. And as I'm pulling on the shoulder belt, I'm applying weight to the car seat and getting it nice and snug. All of the slack I'm pulling, I want to make sure I feed it back in the car so it keeps locking. You can go ahead and put your fabric back on. And the way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, you're going to grab it from either side of the car seat. As long as the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. If it's still moving more than an inch, just apply some more weight to the car seat and let it feed back into the car. Now that our car seat is nice and snug, we can go to the trunk and we can attach the top tether. On the back of my vehicle seat, you can actually see the tether point. There's a picture of a car seat right above it to let you know that's for the car seat. Now the tether strap, make sure it's not twisted or tangled. And when you connect it, make sure the flat part is facing outward. So click in, tighten. And you don't have to make it super tight. You just want to get rid of the loose slack. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.